YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special, I do believe, well, let's call it unboxing video. Either my Amazon affiliate link will be down below or their website. Definitely check them out. They are safe links to click on and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And now let's see what's inside. So thank you guys for sending me this. And here we go. What is this good stuff in here? Ooh, baby. Coming from Sleep or Bedsure. I think this is Amazon. This is Bedsure weighted heat blanket. I got some weight to it. This would be a nice gift. Give somebody up for this coming holiday season. Santa Claus will be here soon. Like 3 months, so you might want to start shopping now. Get it out of the way, you know. Ooh. Ooh. Bedsure. Get cozy. I wish I could sleep. Get a few hours, I'll be good. This will help with pain and whatnot. Something to relax to. Here we go. Get cozy. Cozy time. There we go. Alright, let's see what this thing's all about. Ooh. Got the manual. So, Bedsure Cozy. Some pretty good instructions. Got massage, power heat. Ooh, baby, this would be a good one. And this would be a nice gift to give to your grandparents, your uncles, aunts, whoever. Give to yourself, your wife, or your partner. Either or. Especially if they work. Ooh. It's a nice baby blue, powder blue, North Carolina blue. Oh man, we got twist ties. Got the twisties. But I do believe this is Amazon, so we should be good. I got a long cord, so that's a good bonus. Got this wrapped up good. That's nice. Not too good, I can't even. Alright, get over here. I can't believe we're almost, I think this is the fall season now. It's just so crazy how fast this year went. It's been interesting. That is for sure. If I could get this open, that'd be great. Oh my god. What is this? Super glued? Come on. There we go. Oompa. There we go. Yeah, buddy. We got it. Okay, let me pull this out. Plug it in. It's going to go on your neck area, your stomach, your thighs. After working out in a long day, slap this on, watch some TV or some YouTube videos. Here's the remote. High, medium, low. 2 hours, 30 minutes. Ooh. So it's one touch. So this is heat right here. Ooh, vibrates. You can hear it. This thing's cool. Take this with you on a road trip. Whoa. It's not that loud though. You can definitely watch TV and not disturb anyone. Put it over your back. It feels like a little sensors are there. And then here. This thing's cool. Definitely gets a 5-star for sure. So definitely check them out, YouTubers. Bedsure. High, medium, low. Get cozy. Heating pad. Massage pad. 2-in-1 combo. Now it's getting red. Looks orange here, but it's red on my vision. Pretty cool. Like I said, easy. There's cords. Do not wash it. Might want to grab a couple. Oh yeah, I can feel definitely warm underneath here. Ooh. I'm definitely gonna get some use out of it this year. Maybe tonight even. They're really nice. This is super nice. Feels like shirt ball. Super fluffy. And then here, North Carolina blue. Looking good. Or Detroit Lions, kind of. One of their jerseys. Really cool. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Links will be down below. Be safe. Have a good one. Take it easy.